Hello friends, welcome to the Take Word of Tech Inch. Before the video starting, I want you to listen song. Please listen carefully.
In the moonlight's tender embrace, I found my heart's sacred place. Your eyes, like stars in the night, guide me through the dark, shining bright.
The song you just hear, I have created the song with just 15 seconds with the help of AI and without any sign up, without any login, without spending money and without any ads. You can also do this, but you just have to watch this video completely. So let's start the video without wasting any time. First of all, open app.songar.ai website. Here select your song category like hip hop, pop. After selecting, click on I have my own lyrics and enter your song lyrics here. I will generate lyrics with the help of ChatGPT. Simply copy the lyric and paste it. Here select singer gender like male or female and click on render. And here you can see song are ready. You can also download this video. Click on download icon and here you will see video are downloaded. So hope you like this video. Let's meet again in the next great video of Tech Inch. Till then, take care of ourselves and our family. Jai Hind.